For investors, unbuzzd represents an exciting opportunity in the fast-growing wellness and alcohol recovery market. With increasing consumer demand for functional beverages that enhance recovery and support active lifestyles, unbuzzd is uniquely positioned for significant market impact. Its scientifically backed formulation, superior taste, and premium brand identity set it apart from competitors. Celli Nutrition's scalable business model capitalizes on major e-commerce platforms like Amazon, direct-to-consumer sales, and potential retail partnerships, creating multiple revenue streams. Their commitment to expanding product lines, entering new markets, and launching innovative marketing campaigns ensures brand growth. Also, advisor to Quantum BioPharma and Celli Nutrition, legendary original shark from Shark Tank, Kevin Harrington is on board and was an early investor into Celsius Holdings, brings his knowledge in marketing towards unbuzzd and the Quantum BioPharma team. Customer engagement has been strong with positive feedback and growing social media traction. Potential partnerships with influencers, wellness experts, and hospitality brands further enhance their market strategy. With clear sales targets and revenue milestones, unbuzzd is on track for substantial profitability and long-term success. This isn't just a beverage, it's a lifestyle brand with a mission to enhance well-being, recovery, and performance. Join us in redefining the alcohol recovery experience and unlocking the full potential of this emerging market. I'm Jason Sawyer, Head of Finance and M&A at Quantum BioPharma. Learn more about unbuzzd on our website at quantumbiopharma.com or order yours today at unbuzzd.com. Cheers.